How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger? Let's begin. Initially launch the Messenger app on a device and make sure you are logged in. Then open the chat where you want to share a one-time view photo. Next, click on the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Likewise, take your photo by tapping the shutter button. To make the photo disappear after one view, simply tap the one icon at the bottom of the screen. Finally, hit the send button to send your one-time view photo. On the other hand, if you want to send a one-time view photo from a gallery, just tap the gallery icon. Moreover, select the photo you want to send and click on edit. After that, tap on the one icon again to enable the one-time view feature. This ensures the receiver can only see the photo once before it disappears. Finally, hit the send button. And that's all. Now you know how to send one-time view pictures on Messenger.